In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Confluence page full width. This allows you to use the entire screen space, making your content easier to read and especially helpful when working with wide tables, large images, or embedded elements. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Confluence dashboard. Next, navigate to the page you want to adjust. You can find it by using the search bar at the top or by browsing through your spaces and existing pages. When you've opened the page, click the Edit button, usually located in the top right corner. This will put the page into edit mode and allow you to change its layout and content. While in edit mode, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you will find the Make Page Full Width option, typically represented by two outward facing arrows. Click this button and the page will instantly expand to use the full width of your screen. This view is ideal if your page includes wide tables, dashboards, or content that benefits from extra horizontal space. Once you're happy with how the page looks, click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. Your Confluence page is now set to full width, giving you and your readers a cleaner and more flexible viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech guides like this.